In this video, I'm going to show you how to populate your Google Classrooms with a roster of students. So after you've created your Google Classroom, you want to click on the People tab. And you'll have the opportunity to add either co-teachers or students. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add students. There's a couple of different ways you can do this. If you click down here on Invite Students, it will pop up a little window with a link that you can send out to students and have them click on the link to join the class. I'm not going to do that right now because when you click on it, the little window includes some of your contacts, and I don't want contact information being made public on YouTube. Or you can click on this little person plus, which will basically do the same thing. It's going to pop up the same window with the invite code and a little list of contacts that you can search through by typing, and you can invite students individually. Now, the most efficient way if you're trying to populate a class at the beginning of the year is probably to send out the link, although students aren't always good about checking their email, so they may miss it. But if you get a new student in the middle of the year, it might just be as efficient to just add them from the contact list. But that is how you can populate your Google Classroom with your list of students.